This is our limited edition 2023 Kia EV6 GT line. And then this colorway only comes with the limited edition. Super nice. But starting things off, we'll take a look under the hood. Under here, you also got a little bit of storage. Cool. Let's close that up. You got that. Next up, you have the charge ports. It'll open up right over here. Pretty cool. And then if you want to close it, it should be that button. Nice. Moving on to the trunk. You have your all-weather mat right here. On top of that, you have your cargo cover. Nice. And then under here, you have additional storage as well. It's also going to be an automatic trunk. Moving on to the rear seats. Really nice interior. Over here you also got your seat warmers. Pretty cool. And then your Meridian surround system. Also you have your USB-Cs right here. And over here, and then compartment, or you can switch it to your cup holders. Nice. Now moving on to the front. Nice. You have your all-weather mats. Here's your screen. Nice big screen. A whole lot of options here. Here's going to be your climate control and your entertainment settings. You can switch between the two. Pretty neat. You got your seat chillers, warmers, and steering wheel warmer. You can see right here, it's your limited edition. Pretty cool. Moving on, you have your wireless phone charger and extra compartment. Down here, you got more compartments and USBs. Let's take a look at the cameras. Nice. You also got this mode. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, you also have your heads-up display. I don't know if you guys could see that, hopefully. Oh, nice. Cool. Pretty neat. Throw it back into park.